This student looks like a calm and confident professional who knows his way around an industrial setting, and that's exactly what he is. What you can't see is that he's also a multi-craft technician. As a participant in the FAME program at Gadsden State, he's going to school 2 days a week. 3 days a week, he's working with a Gadsden State industry partner getting paid. FAME stands for Federation for Advanced Manufacturing Education. FAME students become industrial automation experts who can program, install, maintain, and troubleshoot the systems that keep industries moving. Students in the 2-year FAME program earn an associate's degree in applied science, 2 years of industry-verified experience, numerous industry-recognized credentials, and a skill set that will make their career take off. And the best part is, by participating in FAME, you can earn thousands of dollars to put toward your educational expenses and help you avoid student loans. After FAME, you'll be a highly trained maintenance expert and an invaluable asset to world-class manufacturers.